In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your competitors on Semrush. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your existing strategy, understanding your competition is crucial for staying ahead in the market. Semrush is a powerful tool that can help you do just that, and today we're going to walk through the process step by step. First things first, let's head over to the Semrush website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL semrush.com. Once the page loads, you'll see the home page of Semrush. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up, but for today, we're assuming you already have an account, so go ahead and log in. Upon logging in, you'll find yourself on the Semrush dashboard. Now, this is where all the magic happens. To find your competitors, you'll want to focus on the SEO section. Go ahead and locate the SEO tab on your dashboard. Once you find it, click on it to access a variety of tools and features designed to enhance your search engine optimization efforts. Next, under the SEO section, you'll want to focus on competitive analysis. This is where we'll get insights into your competitors' strategies. Look for the option labeled Organic Rankings and click on it. This feature will allow you to see how well your competitors are ranking for various keywords and phrases, which is invaluable information for honing your own strategy. Once you're in the Organic Rankings section, the next step is to enter the domain of your business. Be sure to also specify the location relevant to your business. This is important because competitors can vary widely depending on geographical areas. Entering your domain and location allows Semrush to tailor the competitive analysis specifically to your business context. After entering your domain and location, it's time to find your competitors. On the page, you'll see an option to view competitors. Clicking on this will reveal a comprehensive list of businesses that are competing with you in the digital space. This list is generated based on shared keywords and other important metrics, giving you a clear view of who you're up against. Now you have the list of your competitors right in front of you. This list can be a goldmine of information. You can explore each competitor to see which keywords they are ranking for, how their traffic compares to yours, and even get insights into their marketing strategies. Use this information to identify opportunities for improvement in your own strategy or to capitalize on areas where your competitors may be falling short. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily identify your competitors using Semrush, giving you the edge you need to stay ahead in your industry. Don't forget to regularly check back and adjust your strategies as needed based on what you learn. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.